John Marchant from John Hart. This is a Mazak Quick Turn 350 MY with the MAZATROL Smooth controller. Welcome to the first episode of John Hart Cycle Time. We will take a look at this controller. I think the MAZATROL Smooth controller is the best in the market. So in this episode, I'm going to show you an overview of some of the features that makes it so good. In this episode, I will show you how you can personalize the smooth control screen configuration, identify typing errors using the quick MAZATROL Smooth, import size and shape data on a 3D model using 3D Assist, use solid MAZATROL to automatically write a new program from a 3D model, and finally how to use virtual machine to check the machine program. Mazak has been making conversational controllers for over 45 years, and each new version, like all brands, gets better. More memory, faster processing. But the driving thought behind the latest MAZATROL controller was to improve the operator interface, to help eliminate those errors we all make when writing programs. The basic language hasn't changed. If you can program the old controller, you can program this controller. Let's start at the top. First off, on the main page, you have this orange button. So open the menu, allowing you to configure the screen the way you would like to see it. Here in display 1, I like to display the motor meters and the load meters. In display 2, I like to display the trace button, which shows the job model and the tool loop. It can be configured with either a solid model or line drawings, and there are 5 personal styles, so each operator can have their own preference. The controller uses a touchscreen. All the graphics can be moved, rotated, zoomed, using your fingers, just like we did before. Now to the program page. You know how on a G-code controller, your biggest mistakes are always minor signs and decimal points. On this controller, the top half of the program is called Quick MAZATROL. It's a model that's being created from the program as you write it. So when you type in 100 instead of typing in 10, you see it instantly. The problem was found before you even get to run into the part of the simulation. Also, the controller only offers the keyboards you need. Your cell only accepts numbers, only the number keyboard is displayed. If it's the alphanumeric cell, then the full keyboard is displayed. And then right here we have my favorite, the undo button, which lets you go back 10 steps to undo or redo the things you've typed in. And contrary to common opinion, MAZATROL is an exceptionally good controller for G-code programs as well. There is a similar feature called Quick PIA, which uses this top area of the screen to display the toolbars for an ISO program interactively. When you click on the graphic, it instantly jumps to that line in the program. So if you need to tweak your CAM programs, it's easy to do. Most controllers now have a calculator function in some sort, but even here the Mazak has improved on it. You simply highlight the number you want to change, hit the Get button, and the number is taken straight into the calculator. No typing errors, you can do the calculation and output the number back to where it was. No typing errors. On the subject of no typing errors, Smooth also has a function called 3D Assist, which allows you to input all of your size and shape data direct from a 3D model out of your CAD system, in some cases with a single click. So all of your profile info, pocket shapes, your hole positions, can be put into your program without any typing at all. Once again, no typing errors. On the new integrates with the Smooth AI, Mazak have gone even a step further with a function called solid MAZATROL. It will completely write a new program from a CAD-generated 3D model. It will take a solid model of a complete part and write the program to turn both ends, mill, drill, tap, including all the transfers and angle setting functions, tool selection, feeds, speeds, and cutting conditions. The whole program, start to finish, no typing at all. One more time, no typing errors. So now the program is done. It's time to do some checks. Like all machines, you have the toolpath buttons to show you the cutting paths, rapid moves, speed moves, clearances, etc. But Mazak has an additional test called virtual machine, which displays the job in the whole machine, showing work position, tooling, orientation, over travels, and any potential collisions that might be going to happen. So it's not just showing a theoretical cutting path, it's showing the whole machine movement, checking everything that's going to happen before it happens. It's a great way to check the program before you run that first stop and find the thing that you forgot. Mazak has always made great controllers that are easy to use. This latest generation of MAZATROL has gone above and beyond. As I said at the start, these are just some of the advantages that make this controller so good. They give you the power to personalize the MAZATROL control screen configuration, identify typing errors using the quick MAZATROL screen, import the size and shape data of a 3D model using 3D Assist. Use solid MAZATROL to automatically write a new program from a 3D model, and use virtual machining to check machining program. Thanks for watching. We're going to be looking more at MAZATROL CNC control features in the next episode of John Hart Cycle Time.